Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add AI effects to your video using Inshot. Please subscribe if you didn't and let's get started. First, open your Inshot and then click here on video and then choose the video, this one, and then click here on this green tick. From here, to add AI effects, you just have to click here on filter and then click here on AI effect. From here you can choose any effect that you like, this one or this. All you need to do is scroll on your left to find more. You can also adjust the color if you like. Also you can click here on crown and there's more effect, as you can see. So all you need to do is to add any effect that you like, AI effect. You can add value, angle, whatever you like. Also you can click here on style. So there's and then add any effects that you like. And that's it. So this is how to add AI effects to your video using Inshot. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.